Hi, today we're going to learn about the for loops. First, let's type in for int I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. System dot out dot println. Let's run this program, and you can see here that 0 to 9 has been printed out in the run IO tab. What the for loop does is it executes code repeatedly as long as this condition is met. So for example, I is equal to 0, and while I is less than 10, this code here runs. And in order to break out of this code, I has been incremented or added by 1, which are these 2 plus operators. And they are incremented by 1 until I is equal to 10 or greater than 10. And once it's greater than 10, the condition is no longer met, and the program breaks out of the for loop. And another example is here. You can add an equation here too. Equation here as well. And run the program 02. And this is all for today. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.